right, beautiful setup. If you notice, we put the soil in there, the lighting, and they give you all the adapters for every single one of them. If you guys can see, beautiful LED lights. They're gonna stay all night or whenever you want. Make sure you have the proper water. Once you get the soil into a point and the seed starts becoming a little root, you can take them out and upgrade them to a larger pot. But this is a great startup if you guys are looking for something like this out there. Easy to set up, easy to use, multiple usages for this, and grow your own vegetables indoors and outdoors. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.